Well, our next guest has made the move from activism to the county commission and now to the clerk's office at the Shelby County General Sessions Court. Clerk Tami Sawyer, welcome. Glad to have you here at 3 o'clock. How have you been doing?
I've been doing great, Alex. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you as always. Bring us up to date. I remember back in November, you make the announcement about waiving the $100 fee to file a petition to expunge a conviction. Why is this so important to Memphis and Shelby County and to you?
Well, we know that people need another chance at life after they have served their time or completed their court process. So the waiving of that fee takes away an extra burden. Knowing that so many people in Memphis are struggling with just their day-to-day bills, that extra $100 can be the difference between clearing your record, being able to get a job, go back to school, even with child support and having custody of your children. So we're really giving people another chance here by taking that fee.
When you've actually had a chance to meet some of those individuals who have been helped, what are some of the stories that you've heard that maybe have even touched you once you hear them?
Since I've been in office, we've had about 4 clinics, and a young man who attended my first clinic in November returned earlier this month when we had our event at the FedEx Forum, and he had completed his CDL license by meeting somebody at the clinic who was offering those services and training for free. So he was able to get his record expunged in November through our office and through the event, and then he went on to get certified and get a job paying way more money than he ever could have expected.
I see a big smile on your face when you talk about this with a sense of pride.
Yeah, I'm just grateful to be able to help people get opportunities. I mean, the business of the court is one that's made to keep our streets and our community safe, but we also can help people once they've served their time.
What I also find interesting is the clerk's office is also working with those involved with mental health here in Memphis and Shelby County. What's the connection there for those who don't know?
So we have a lot of specialized courts under the General Sessions Court, Clerks Office, and one of those is the mental health court with Judge Sheila Bruce Renfro, and she is having a fundraiser coming up May 2nd, which we are the title host of, one of the title sponsors. Mental health is so important in our community. It is an underspoken issue, and so for us to be able to help this court, which was previously funded by ARPA, but now is going to rely on state and federal dollars, take away some of the needs that will arise due to less funding is really big because it's an important program.
Very quickly here, I do want to ask you, when it comes to the clerk's office, I remember years ago there was this huge backlog of cases. Where do we stand there with that today?
So there's still a backlog, and I'm pretty honest about that, but one of the things that I am proud of is that we've been able to develop a process that in our 6 months in office, we've reduced that backlog in half. And additionally, we now have a partnership with the Register of Deeds to get scanning and archiving. My goal is to be fully digitized and do e-filing by the end of my term, my first term. And so we are on the way there. We have a new contract coming up where we'll have e-filing in the civil division. Once we get some of the older practices of paper and pencil off the, out the way, I think that people will see a much smoother ride with what happens in our civil court.
So you're taking the clerk's office into the 21st century.
I'm trying.
You're trying. Tami Sawyer, glad to have you here.
Pleasure.
Come on back anytime.
Absolutely.
Look forward to it.